Hey guys, it's Ariel and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be starting with my Hogwarts series. I'm super excited to do this. I am a huge Harry Potter fan. I always go back and watch the movies. I always watch a movie like to fall asleep. I need some like noise in the background. So when I'm not watching Coraline, I feel like I always put on a Harry Potter movie. I've always been a big fan of Harry Potter. Do you remember when they used to do the book fairs at the school, or like you got those little magazines and you could order books? I was always ordering the Harry Potter books through those. How old was I when Harry Potter? I feel like I was definitely in elementary school when the first one came out. So yeah, I love Harry Potter. I think that my favorite Harry Potter movie would have to be Goblet of Fire, but I digress. I'm going to be starting today with, as you can probably tell, Miss Ravenclaw coverage. So they are the house that is known for their smarts. Their house colors are blue. So we're going to do a fun, really pretty, sexy blue graphic eye for you today to represent the house of
Ravenclaw.
So we're just going to jump right in, and of course I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette so we're just going to jump right in. You know, I was like trying to get inspired and see like what I wanted to do with this look, and I had not a damn clue in the world. So we're just going to start putting stuff on my face. So the first color I'm going to dip into that I'm just going to kind of press into my crease is the deeper blue color Power Bottom. Now I'm just going to cut my crease with my Jeffree Star white concealer. Alright, now that we have our crease on there, we're going to go ahead and tap into the color Blue Monday and really bluify this look. Now for the rest of the lid, I'm going to press on some Makeup Forever Star Powder in the blue shade. I have so much blue all over my cheek. Oh my god. I'm just tapping a little bit of the color Blue Blood right in the center to kind of blend that out. Now we're going to do something really fun. I'm going to take this NYX Vivid Bright liquid liner and we're just going to really trace along the crease and do kind of like a cool little design. And then I'm just going back in and taking some of that Undertaker color, the dark one, just revamping out the sides, kind of blending it in to the side of that liner that we just did to kind of blend it out, fuse everything together. All right, so I just realized I didn't do anything under my brow. Oops. So I'm just going to take my Jeffree Star white concealer and we're just going to kind of carve out the brow bone a little bit. All right, once we have that on there, we're just going to go ahead, blend up a little bit more blue shadow to fuse everything together. I think I'm going to take the color, I'm going to mix together Blue Blood and Blue Monday. Now I'm just going to take some very bright white eyeshadow and set the brow bone. Now I'm just going to go back in and quickly clean up that brow. Alright, now that I have this repeated on both sides, and I kind of want to really snatch this out because it's Ravenclaw and it's kind of like bird-like, we're going to really smoke out the sides with like a very graphic black, kind of elongated wang. But I'm not going to use like a straight up black, I'm just going to take that color Undertaker again. And then while I still have this on here, I'm going to tap back into that white color and just extend that as well. And that's just got the eye looking like super smoky and snatched. Now using this blue eyeliner, I'm just going to kind of line my lower waterline and then I'm just going to rub some underneath to get like a primer for some shadow. This blue is really pretty. Actually, it is just Revlon Color Stay in Sapphire. We love a good drugstore moment. All right, now that I have this on here, I actually really just love this blue color and I don't really want to change it, but I'm going to tap into the color Ice Tray just to set. Hopefully it doesn't change it too much though. And this kind of has like a little iridescence to it as well. I'm really obsessed with the way that looks under the eye. I like that smoky effect, but now I think I'm just going to take, we'll just clean this up with a little bit of this powder brush because You don't want it to look too messy. I like to get messy, but not with my makeup. Now, because it's going to be like a little bird-like, because like Ravenclaw, duh, we're going to take this same liquid liner and we're just going to connect this to our waterline. I hope I like it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm obsessed.
Yep. That's cool.
Roar! Birds don't roar. Nice. Oh my god, Moira. Hello, hi, I'm Moira Rose, and if you love fruit wine as much as I do, then you'll appreciate the craftsmanship and quality of a local vintner who puts the muskmelon goodness in his oak chardonnay and the dazzling peach crab apple to his whistling railhorse. Alright, now it always kills me when I don't have mascara on yet. It all comes together with the lashes and all that jazz. So we're gonna go ahead and just take some mascara, put these on these crust crusts. Let's go ahead and do this. I didn't put liner on. We're just gonna line very tight on the top with black, just to, you know, get a little, I don't want to overpower it. Yes! Alright, now we can go in with some mascara. Guys, this is making me want to be a Ravenclaw. I mean, technically I'm a Slytherin Gryffindor hybrid, but bitch.
Oh, I need to drink my White Claw.
Alright, and while my lash glue is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and throw on a little highlighter. Alright, now we're just going to throw on a lip, and I don't want to go like too like nudie nude, because I mean the eyes are intense, but I don't want to look dead because it's blue. So we're going to go ahead and use Leo from Jeffree Star. And this nude still kind of has like a little bit of warmth in it, obviously, so that we don't have like no warmth going on the face. Now we're just going to add a little blush to the cheek. Alright, let's go ahead and pop these lashes on. Alright guys, well I have my lashes on, the highlight, the lip, so we're just going to go ahead and do some last minute touch-ups off camera. I'm going to put on my outfit and my wig, and let's transform, swish, and flick into the house of Ravenclaw. Alright guys, well here you have it. This is my finished Ravenclaw look. I love it. I'm feeling studious and I'm feeling like a class A motherfucking student. I just aced my exam and I know all the spells, potions, coverage. Okay? Rowena Ravenclaw, who bitch? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure you guys comment down below which house you think I'm going to be doing next. I can't wait to finish off this series. Later we will be picking up the Disney Princess series, but I'm in a Hogwarts kind of mood, so I'm going to finish this one up. Bitch. This eye is cute. And if you guys are not already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I am posting new videos. And while you're at it, make sure you comment down below which of the whole Harry Potter series is your favorite. Mine is the Goblet of Fire. Alright guys, I love you, and as always, yes. Bye.